The PRO-DKN25. As you can see there, this is a Neodymium super driver with horn. Alright, so this is really small. It's not as big as the PRV horn that I unboxed about a month ago. Alright, so I'll let you see that. Alright. Okay. Alright. Check out the box here. That's the horn. And of course you get a little sticker. Back out here. Box over there. I did get two of them. Alright, so I'm gonna add these to my sound system in my truck. I'm gonna add these with the PRVs I bought. Alright, so these are really light. Okay. About the size of my hand. Alright, very light. And they do come with a capacitor. Alright. You can see that. I don't move it around too much, I don't want to break it. Alright. Try to get focused in there. Okay. Alright. Just letting you take a look at it. We'll be testing these to see if they're capable of keeping up with the PRVs. Like I said, these are very light, but this is a neodymium magnet, so alright, so they claim that this is one of the best horns. Alright, so we'll see. It's rated at 60 watts and 120 watts max. That's peak, so we'll see. Alright. It's a nice little horn there. Nice and glossy. Alright. Alright, so stay tuned for the demo. I'll turn these up to see what they can handle. Alright. Catch you on the next one.